Today we are here to talk about one of the nicest neighborhood in Falconridge in the northeast of Calgary, close to all the amenities, schools, parks, shopping centers, and bus stations. Take a peek through on our newest listing in Falconridge. This is a detached bungalow with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The main floor of this home boasts a convenient kitchen and a generous sized living which seamlessly opens into the backyard, which is perfect for your family gatherings and get-togethers. This level also comes with 3 comfortable sized bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Now we head down to this fully finished lower level with 1 generous sized bedroom and 1.5 bathroom. Enjoy your west-facing backyard with plenty of room to park your RV. This property is hitting the market soon, and if you have any questions, please do reach out.